Hi everyone, it's Lisa from A Simple Season. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite pantry ingredient recipes, and that is an Italian rice salad. Now, out of all the times that I've been to Italy, I can't recall a single time where this dish did not make an appearance at some point at someone's table. This is one of those recipes that Italians make with just whatever they have in their refrigerators or that they find in their pantries. It comes together very, very quickly and easily, and it's a great make-ahead dish. This colorful salad can be served as a main dish if you like, and you can add whatever you want in it. You can add cold cuts, you can add carrots, celery, onions if you want to use fresh things. But you know what? I'm gonna make it with ingredients from my pantry. Allora oggi facciamo l'insalata di riso. Italian rice salad is one of my favorite pantry recipes, and I have fond memories of my mother making a version of this salad. And the nice thing about this is you can use as much or as little of these ingredients as you want, just depending on what your taste is and depending on what you actually have available. Now, all of these ingredients you can find at any good Italian deli or any good Mediterranean deli. So what I like to use is these are some roasted red peppers. So we just chop these up finely and add a few tablespoons of that. Or you can use a vegetable spread like this one. And this is peppers and eggplant mixed together. So because I have this jar already open, this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to use a couple tablespoons of this just because I have this open, so I won't use that this time. Then I have some olives here. So this jar again is unopened, and I had some Kalamata olives in the fridge, so I just chopped these up, and that's what I'm going to use. And this is maybe 3 tablespoons full. This is wild pickled mushrooms in oil. This is a store-bought jar that I have, and these are ones that I pickled and put in oil myself last year. So I'm going to use my homemade ones. I have some capers, marinated artichoke hearts. I have a small can of tuna in oil, and about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and some rice. And all we're going to do is just mix everything up together. So now that we have this all mixed together, you just want to cover it up with a little bit of saran wrap and put it in the fridge and let it sit for at least half an hour before you enjoy it. And it will keep in the fridge for a few days and it'll be wonderful. But I think I'm going to add some parsley to it. I have this wonderful bit of parsley growing right here, so I'm going to pick a few of the sprigs and chop it up and add it to the rice salad. You certainly don't need to add parsley if you don't want to. It's totally optional, but just because I had it and it looks so beautiful and fresh, I am going to add a couple of tablespoons to it. You can add a little bit of lemon juice if you want to the salad as well. You can add a couple of hard-boiled eggs. It's very flexible. You can just put in whatever you like. So here's what our beautiful rice salad looks like, and such an amazing way to use those items from your pantry. And it is so delicious and so flavorful. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.